There's a call for parents and guardians to be more familiar with the signs and symptoms of hand, foot and mouth disease. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Hand, foot and mouth disease is a contagious illness caused by different viruses. Infants and children under 5 years old are more likely to catch it, but older children and adults can also get it. Accident and emergency consultant at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, Dr. Mara Hosang, says although the disease is seen all year round, the numbers tend to go up at the beginning of the new school year.
So how do you get it? If persons come in contact with body secretion, so saliva, mucus, some coughing and sneezing, and sometimes even feces that the virus is shedding. And if that comes in contact with the mouth, then you can get infected with the virus. Because of the age group that it's most common in, you find it's a lot in daycares, nurseries, basic schools, anywhere that you have a lot of children.
Common symptoms of hand, foot and mouth disease include a fever, painful sores in the mouth and rash with blisters on the hands, feet and buttocks. In most cases, the disease is mild, but in some instances, it can become severe.
Cases where we might see more readily in the A&E department with the children who have dehydration. And the reason is because of the ulcers in the mouth. It might be painful, children do not want to drink, and so they run the risk of becoming dehydrated, at which time we might need to rehydrate them, giving IV fluids.
Dr. Hosang says most cases can be avoided if parents and guardians are better able to identify the signs and symptoms. Meanwhile, there is no specific treatment, but managing the fever and preventing dehydration are key.
We advise using cool drinks, not necessarily cold, but definitely not hot, because if you have sores in your mouth, it tends to be painful and the children won't want to drink. So sips to ensure that they're becoming or maintain their hydration. If you find that the child is showing signs of dehydration, which might mean they're not drinking a lot, you start seeing the eyes sinking, lips are dry, mouth are dry, they're not passing a lot of urine or as much as they normally would do for the babies who are not having as much diaper changes, those might be signs of dehydration and they need to be assessed by a healthcare provider.
Practicing good hygiene by washing hands properly is also a good way to prevent the disease. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you